don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Fans on the TV, it's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by my sister Kamaban Pumago.
Hey, yes. Kindozi mnandi. I represent the Eastern Cape BCM.
Sharp sister, can you
Ngingayaka ne.
Yeah.
Ncikazi ask coach.
He's not a coach.
He's an assistant.
Yes.
You know when someone has an eyeing view, eagle eye.
Yes.
Eagle eye yena ya coach. Kahle yena.
Yeah.
So maka stand da.
Yeah. Akahlale
lapho. Imagine umaswanga 90 minutes, full 90 minutes ebekhona.
Kanjani?
Tito. Mara Tito uyalahle timing sometimes guys. Must be honest guys. Must be honest. Nama kukhala kabuhlungu mara. Bakaniya we should have won this game.
Yes.
This was our game.
It's because of Tito.
Ngishongo. Mara, all I'm saying is that Ndata Khoza ne makaphinda buyele kwibooks zakhe ne.
Sure.
Hayi uncikazi akayi coach yethu.
Yeah.
Akayi coach assistant. Akahlale pha. Nathi koMerekong we got managers and we got senior managers.
Exactly.
And senior managers have a job to do and then managers have a job to do. Yena makahlale kodwa ku level yakhe. Assist. Abena eagle eye.
Stay in his level. Yeah.
On your lane. Dango.
Thank you, sister. Thank you, sister.